Hey, what's up guys? So it's the weekend. Normally we don't work, but my buddy Brandon, who does our spray foam installation, that was when he could get here to do these walls. So he's out here right now, you can see him behind me, and he's getting the walls sprayed with 3 inches of closed cell spray foam. This is a Demolac HFO, so you can actually do about 6 inches in one pass. You can, spray a full 6 inches without any issues. Now that's a big thing with spray foam, and you know what I just realized? It's probably really extremely loud. So let's go ahead and I'll just get you some footage of the spray foam being applied. So I'll spare you all that background noise, and we'll talk about spray foam once this is done. Now also, one thing is, I realized, or I remembered right away, like I need to put on my mask, because even though this product, it gives off very little off gas, you still don't want to be breathing this stuff. Thankfully we're in this large building. Look at this trailer setup, man. Slick. So here we have part B. There's part A. Well, this is pretty exciting, man, because I have been waiting to get this spray foam. That was our big push. I know we can't do this area back here because of the porch steel that we're still missing, but we're gonna be able to go ahead and lock down this building, because you guys, not only is the spray foam adding a ton of insulation value, like that's the obvious factor, but this building is going to be super rock solid, even more solid than it was, because this is adding a ton of rigidity to the structure. So there's a couple different benefits of the spray foam. You know, obviously we're getting the thermal benefit. We're getting that R value with this 3 inches of foam. You know, that's somewhere in the R20 plus range. Usually you can figure about 7.5 inch or 7.5 R value per inch of closed cell. But the more inches you put together, like 2 inches is not the same as 1 inch plus 1 inch. There's an added value to that. So when you go to 3 inches, you're getting a pretty darn good insulated wall. Now the other thing that we love about this is going to give us our vapor barrier. So as long as we're doing 2 inches, we're going to get a vapor barrier. And then on top of that, this wall is going to be super rigid. So that's a great benefit as well. So in terms of cost, the spray foam is probably going to range, let's just say 3 to 4 times more than just a fiberglass bat. So it's definitely more costly. However, those benefits far outweigh the cost. Just sometimes it's not in the budget for our clients. I would probably do more of it. The more I'm exposed to it, the more benefit I see from it. The more I see, you know, after talking to clients down the road after we've done it in their buildings, how good it's performed, how quiet the building is. You know, you're only gonna probably insulate these walls one time. So it's one of those things that you gotta just spend the money up front, I think, if you can, and then reap the benefits for the life of the building.